guys, thank you so much for watching and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Nephi. I'm a vocalist and I'm a YouTube reactor. Today I will be reacting to this video that you guys were sending me a lot of times already, and I think it's a good one. But you guys were telling me that he wasn't able to sing the song as expected. I don't know what's really happening, but I'm just so excited to watch this video, guys. So without further ado, let's go check this out. Before I start, the video is from Zamani. It's called Saat, Suara, Zamani, Koyak. The Konsert, Gegar, Vaganza. 5. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, he's a rock star. He's a dude, right? He's got long hair. So he didn't sing a single word or what? But people are cheering for him. Wow. He must be really sick, guys. Like sore throat or something. Oh my gosh. The same thing happened to Regine Velasquez here in the Philippines, and the audience were singing. Oh my gosh, this is so heartwarming. They're so supportive. So are these the judges standing up? Fans love him, guys. Oh my gosh. But he's trying. Oh. But he's so brave to still come up and show up to sing. I did not expect this, guys. This is so emotional. He is a brave soul to go and still sing. Zamani.
Alright, sebenarnya keadaan kesihatan Abang Zamani memang sangat tidak baik Pak masa ni. Abang Zamani memang tak sihat daripada semalam pun lagi, dan suara dia memang dah tak ada macam mana yang korang dengar. Jadi terima kasih juga semua sebab supporting.
So much respect to the people and the audience.
Bro, Zamani, Macam kata terus terang dengan lu ni first time sepanjang gua punya kerja 27 tahun dalam industri, waktu artis yang sungguh berani macam lu. Ini dalam industri orang luar sana tak faham bila kita berseloteh menjatakan sini cakap pasal jaga kesihatan dan sebagainya. Diorang tak faham. Diorang tak tahu bila you datang macam ni sakit, diorang tetap nak saksikan persembahan. Dan hari ni dapat saksikan betapa legendanya you tak perlu kami.
Okay guys, I may not be able to understand what they're saying anymore, but I think they're still supportive of him. The judges were giving him encouraging words and support. Oh my goodness, I was emotional, I didn't expect that. And I just want to give my total respect to this artist because he is so brave to show up and still sing even if he's really like sick. I really teared up, guys. Thank you so much for letting me watch this video. If you guys got more videos of this dude that he was able to perform or sing, please do send them to my Instagram or comment right down below because I really need to hear his voice. I think he's a good artist. For him to be able to have a really great support from the audience and from his fans. And the judges were paying their respects to him because they were standing, so that really means a lot. There you go, guys. Thank you so much for letting me watch this video, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe because it really means a lot to me, guys. Thank you so much for helping me reach 56,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you, guys, and I hope to see all of you in my next videos. Bye.